Hi, this is Bill with Tidal Tone Drones. I wanted to show a product to you today for the Evo 2 and also for the Mavic 2 series. This comes to us from a company called Fox Fury. I've demonstrated the ExoLander exoskeleton frame previously in other videos. I just wanted to point out one new accessory for the ExoLander, and that is the ExoDock. So this is a handheld apparatus that connects to the ExoLander, which allows you to carry the drone around. You could use it as a ground camera. So there might be certain situations that come up where you can't fly the drone. It might be weather, maybe there's obstructions or other hazards around. But you've got a terrific camera, in some cases thermal capabilities, a searchlight. This gives you expanded capabilities for the drone. So let me demonstrate. So I've got the Autel Evo 2 640T. This is the enterprise version. I've got the ExoLander connected to the aircraft already. And now if I just want to attach this, just like that, there's little sliders on the bottom. And that's all there is to it. So this thing is already attached and I'm ready to go. So now I've got a gimbal stabilized camera, high resolution camera plus thermal capabilities. So if I wanted to do, say, a ground search with the drone, I could do that. Here's a great example when you can use this ExoDock. Now today is just a terrible day here in Wisconsin. I've got freezing sleet going on. These are conditions you would not fly a drone in, but there might be opportunity for you to do a ground search, or even if you're under a structure like I am, to still be able to use the camera. I live in a wooded area here, and oftentimes deer will appear in the woods at night, or if it's dark out, I can't see them. But if I take the drone out and move it around, I can definitely see heat signature out there. So I can think of a lot of applications where you couldn't fly the drone, but you might be able to use the features and the capabilities of the drone. If I've got the searchlight on here, I've got myself an extra handheld searchlight and the ability to record or take photographs to document a scene or whatever it might be. Okay, another nice feature is I could use this as a stabilized mounting system for a flat surface like the bed of my truck, for example. So all I have to do is remove this one nut in the center. I could have a piece of plywood or something situated in here where I just mount that just like that. I could travel with the ExoLander already attached, so very quick and easy to deploy then. So I could drive around like this. This would keep it from tipping over. Have it out of the case. The wings are out, the propellers are already deployed. Everything is ready to go, so I could rapidly deploy. All I'd have to do is slide these 4 latches out and release the aircraft, and I'm good to go. That's the ExoDock add-on for the ExoLander.